Hey there, developers! Welcome to Build a Complete Blockchain and Smart Contract with Go. If you're eager to dive into the world of blockchain technology, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner curious about decentralized tech, or an experienced coder wanting to expand your skills, this course has got you covered. Blockchain is revolutionizing industries from finance to healthcare. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its potential reaches far beyond digital currencies. Imagine creating your own blockchain and deploying smart contracts. Sounds exciting, right? In this course, you'll embark on a hands-on journey using Go, a powerhouse programming language known for its simplicity and efficiency. We'll start with the basics, breaking down the building blocks of blockchain blocks, transactions, cryptography, and distributed ledgers. Then we'll dive deep into Go programming to build efficient blockchain structures. You'll construct a custom blockchain from scratch, handle transactions, and implement consensus algorithms like proof of work and proof of stake. We'll cover everything from digital signatures and cryptographic security to creating wallets and addresses. But it doesn't stop there. You'll learn to build REST APIs, create your own cryptocurrency token, and even set up a peer-to-peer network. Plus, you'll explore smart contracts and decentralized applications known as dApps. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to build and deploy a fully functioning decentralized application ready to tackle real-world problems. So if you're ready to master blockchain with Go, let's get started. Grab your laptop, bring your enthusiasm, and join me on this exciting adventure into the world of blockchain and smart contracts. See you inside the course.